How to make extra money on the side from home. This is how to make extra money on the side from home. Whether it's starting your own business or working a part-time gig, here is an amazing way that you can make some cash on the side. In this video, you will learn about an easy way to make extra money on the side. Enjoy the video and let me know what you think about making money as a sideline in the comments below. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, save more for retirement, or just boost your monthly income, there has never been a better time to make more money on the side. No longer do you have to settle for a part-time job with a set schedule. This is not just a long list of things you could do to earn some extra cash. This is an amazing new way that you have to give some attention to. You need to understand it and see how this will bring in money for you as you sleep. Warren Buffett said, "Unless you find a way to make money as you sleep, you will work until you die." If you don't want that to happen to you, then follow the link below this video. Knowing how to make extra money on the side from home is a great path to improving your financial picture. You'll be able to reach your goals faster if you increase your income. This side hustle working from home really works, as thousands of people give witness to. The decision is yours. You can just click away and lose this fantastic opportunity. Or you can click the link below this video and discover for yourself how to make extra money on the side from home and change your life. Click the link now.